The next topic is Java 9 module metadata. So, what exactly metadata contains? As we discussed in the previous section, we can use module descriptor to provide module metadata. A module can have the metadata as unique name, exports keyword, requires keyword. In detail, a module has a unique name. We use module keyword to identify or to define module name as module com.island technology. Next one is exports keyword. A module can export its packages to outside world so that other modules can use them. In module descriptor, we use exports keyword to export a package to outside world or to other modules. How to use this exports keyword? As we have created module com.islandtechnology.module1, we want to use this package to outside world or other modules. Exports com.islandtechnology.add. It is not mandatory to export all packages. It's up to the respective developer or module owner to decide which one to export and which one not required. A module can import or use other module packages. In module descriptor, we use requires keyword to import other modules packages. Example, module com.islandtechnology.module2. This module requires com.islandtechnology.add. As shown, com.islandtechnology.module1 has exported com.islandtechnology.add package, so that here com.islandtechnology.module2 is importing and using them.